11, 12, 1. Hey, there we go. So Compás number 4 is very similar to Compás number 3. However, there are some differences, some distinctions that make a big difference. So let's get into those. It starts the exact same way. 12, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6 is where it starts. However, we're going to do something different here. So we start on the A string and the A minor chord, but we're going to hammer on with our pinky onto that C, onto the 3rd fret of the 5th string. Our thumb has just played that A string and it's resting on the 4th string, so play that one too. And then our 3 fingers take care of the top 3 strings. Index, middle, ring. Okay? So we go 12, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. Okay? You have the music in front of you, so I'm not going to go over all that. And then we go 10. If you want, you can do a golpe on 11 to give you that compás reminder where you are in the compás, because this is kind of, the phrase is getting longer and going almost over the compás, over the 12, bridging kind of, definitely the melody does, but the technique ends on 12. We go, that golpe can help you as a little bookmark. 11, and then we go 11, and the and is where we start this rasgueado, and that up of the index finger on that D minor, that up of the index finger lands on beat 12. Okay? It lands on beat 12. So now let's play this whole thing really slow, and now this is a full compás, the and after 1 all the way to beat 12, where we're used to ending on beat 10 pretty frequently. So 72 beats per minute. Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's do that again. 10, 11, 12, 1. Really get that. So we've seen this technique. We isolated it. Remember the rasgueado? We did what I call a serpent's tongue. Okay, cool. So hopefully you remember that and you've been working on it. So you're like, cool, I've got this. 92 beats per minute. 10, 11, 12, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 1. All right, so let's now bring this up to 112. 10, 11, 12, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5. So I didn't do a golpe there. You don't have to do a golpe. It's just you might want to do that and at least hear it in your mind if you don't play it. 10, 11, 12, 1. It sounds good to do a golpe, a heavy one, or even a light one, okay? That is it. Now you have compás number 4. All right. Let me know if you have any questions at all. You got lots of work with the arpeggio, and then the picado, and then the rasgueado. So enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye-bye.